Our mission at Global Healing Center is multifaceted. We're here to help as many people as we can. We're here to make sure that we put the best, highest quality medicinal herbs and components and ingredients in our products, and we value the customer as our #1 priority. It's all about providing the best possible solution to the end customer so we can help them transform their life and turn their life into a happy, healthy environment. I think that if you're going to be selling an herbal product, you should know where those herbs come from. You should walk through the fields, and that's something that we're very passionate about here at Global Healing Center. Nobody in the industry has ever done this. We're introducing a whole new generation of herbal nutraceutical extracts to the world, from planting all the way through the extraction process, so we can make sure that we extract all those vital components of the plant and hold them in a form that we know is going to be the most beneficial extract of its kind. Raw herbal extract technology. We're always looking for ways to make it better. We believe that it's always constant and never-ending improvement in everything we do. We consider everybody our family, and when we are producing something, we want everybody to know that what we produce for ourselves, for our own family, is the same thing we produce for the GAC family. Everybody likes to hear positive, uplifting, refreshing news that they've helped somebody. It makes everything worthwhile when you come into the office every single day and you get those stories and you hear the benefits and you see the good that you're doing every single day, and you have people telling you that. You know, that's what fuels the fire. That's what keeps your passion going. I mean, knowing that you're helping people every single day.